Hey everyone, welcome to the Dimidrone channel, and today we're gonna visit a wonderful place and soar above the Āraiši town. Āraiši Lake Fortress Archaeological Park is a place where it is possible to get to know the history from the Stone Age to the end of the Middle Ages. The most unusual object in it is Āraiši Lake Fortress, a fortified place of residence of the ancient Latvians on the Lake Island in the Iron Age. Only 10 such settlements are known in Latvia, and Āraiši Lake Fortress is only a reconstruction. The Lake Castle researcher archaeologist Jānis Apals has pointed out that the evidence obtained during the excavation was so unusually well preserved that it was absolutely necessary to try to build it again. Currently, all the houses planned on the island can be seen in the Lake Fortress, and since the summer of 2020 an important addition has been made, a protective building and a gate, which provides an opportunity to get the most authentic feelings during the visit. Part of the former vault of Lake Fortress residence can be seen in the Āraiši Archaeological Park Visitor Center. There is a special exposition in it where you can see both rare and unique as well as very common evidence of the Lake Castle. It is also worth getting acquainted with the fascinating story of life and Lake Fortress research by archaeologist Jānis Apals. About the first inhabitants of the territory of Latvia, centuries before the construction of the Lake Fortress, it is possible to find out on Meitu Island, where stone and Bronze Age buildings can be found. They have been made as ideal reconstructions according to the results of archaeological research throughout Latvia. Āraiši Stone Castle, built in the second half of the 14th century, was built several centuries after the Lake Fortress. It once served as a military and economic adjacent castle to Araisi's castle. Also nearby you can find a well-preserved windmill and a beautiful church just around the corner from the Lake Fortress. That's it for today, folks. Thanks for watching, keep traveling and discover new locations. Bye bye.